watching the clouds drift slow across the sky. No turning back, the miles are laid out straight between the starting line and the heavy weight. It's a promise kept, it's a view come true.